everyone, let's introduce the Wuyoutong Mini Interchangeable Sensor Switch. Its nested plug-and-play design makes replacement effortless. No disassembling wires or cabinets. Swap in seconds. Available in both surface-mounted and recessed styles. This is the sleeve. Mount it onto the wooden board. Then simply plug in the sensor head. This is the touch sensor switch. Tap once to turn the light off. Press and hold to adjust brightness. Easily create a comfortable lighting atmosphere. Now let's switch to the hand sweep sensor. Sweep to turn off. Sweep again to turn on. Cover the sensor to adjust brightness levels. Next, try the door contact sensor. Close the door to turn off the light. Open to turn on. Finally, let's test the motion sensor. All sensor types are freely interchangeable. Plug and play. So simple. Even a child can do it.